Hello everyone, my name is Yash Trivedi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Textile Spear. So today we will discuss how to dye cotton fabric with direct dyes. So first of all, let's discuss what is direct dye. Direct dyes are called substantive dyes because of their excellent substantivity for cellulosic textile material like cotton and viscose rayon. Next, let's talk about classification of direct dyes. The direct cotton dyes are classified as depending on the effect of electrolyte and temperature. So there are three types of dyes. Class A, which is self-leveling dyes, Class B, which are sol controllable dyes, and Class C, which are temperature controllable dyes. So before going towards the application of direct dyes on cotton, let us discuss the recipe first. So you will be requiring direct dye stuff which you will take X% owing to weight of fabric. Now next is soda ash which will be 0.5 to 1% owing to weight of fabric. Next is common salt which is totally depend upon the type of shade which you wish to give to the cotton fabric. 5% for light shade, 10% for medium shade and 20% for dark shade. Next is the temperature. You should keep temperature at boiling and the time required will be 45 to 60 minutes. Now, as you have the recipe available with you, let's talk about application process of direct dyes on cotton. So, the dyeing process involves two processes. The first is preparation of dye bath and the next is dyeing. Let's talk about preparation of dye bath. The dye is dissolved by pasting it with a small amount of water and soda ash. Boiling water is then added to the paste with constant stirring. Stock solution, which is concentrate solution as usual prepared, and the required volume of this solution is taken for dyeing. Next is the dyeing process. The dye bath is set with the required volume of stock solution of dye, 0.5 to 1% soda ash and water to make the desired material to liquor ratio. Then the processed material is entered in the dye bath at 40 degrees Celsius and dyeing is carried out for 15 to 20 minutes. The required amount of common salt is added in even number of installment at intervals of 10 to 15 minutes. The salt varies between 5 to 20% on weight of material for light to heavy shade. The temperature of dye bath is slowly raised to boil and is continued as this temperature for the period of 45 to 60 minutes. And then it is cool for 15 to 20 minutes for better exhaustion. The goods are then removed from dye solution, squeezed and dried, and after treatment in the solution of dye fixing agent after precise drying state. Now, as the dyeing is over, we will talk about after treatment of direct dye good and why it is important. Direct dyes have poor washing and light fastness. Therefore, to improve the fastness properties after treatment based on principle like increasing molecular weight of dye and thus decreasing their solubility after dyeing is required. Here are some of the method of giving after treatment with chromium compound. Next, treatment with formaldehyde. Next is treatment with cationic dye fixing agent. Next is topping with basic dyes, and the last is diodization and development of direct dyes. So, this was all about dyeing of cotton fabric with direct dyes. Hope you like the video. I will come up with more such videos in future. If you wish to publish your article on Textile Spear, mail your article with us at textilespear@gmail.com. Visit us at www.textilespear.com. Do like, comment, share and subscribe Textile Spear. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching Textile Spear.